Seamless replacement. This tail light circuit board directly replaces the circuit board that comes stock on specified vehicles' tail lights. Easy installation. Simply detach the failed circuit board and plug in this one. Required repair. Tail light won't function without replacing a melted circuit board. Excellent value. Part matches performance of the original equipment at lower cost than going back to the dealership. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Tail light not working because the circuit board burned out? This tail light circuit board seamlessly replaces the failure-prone circuit board that comes stock on certain vehicle years, makes and models, restoring light function. Vehicle model years. This part fits. Be sure to check your vehicle trim using the Amazon garage. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality and accurate fit. Great part, was very easy to install. It even came with 3 light bulbs in it. Awesome price for what I received.